On 3, it's a jump, cannonball, and you gotta say summer vacation.
Summer vacation.
1, 2, 3! There you go.
It's so serious.
Okay, Louis. Louis, go ahead. Put the glasses down though, Louis. Give the glasses to Carson. Over here, Louis. Over here.
Yeah.
Cool. Carson, make sure you help and show Louis where to go. How was that?
Huh?
How was it?
Good.
Devin just took the grass trail. Where are we at, Carson? Inarahan. Inarahan.
Arahan. And we're done now.
Just starting.
You see me? That's the end.
Is that your pet rock, Devin? What's going on?
What'd you name it?
Devster 117?
Yeah.
Devster 881?
What's on your bottom, Devin?
Oh,
Wet bottom?
Mommy doesn't have quite as much sweat as I do.
I think I have a wet bottom too.
Soggy
Shouldn't be
bottom?
laughing.
Ronnie, that way. Through the path, buddy. Much better. Through the path. I know Mommy completely abandoned you. A few moments later. Whoa, whoa, didn't quite make that. Whoa. Go back down by Devin's pet rock. That's Devin's pet rock. You need to go pet Devin's pet rock. Go pet it. Hello, pet rock. Oh, perfect. Devin, he kicked your pet rock. It wasn't obeying. Go through the desert, Dev. Go through the desert.
Louis, come up here. It's just like going on a slide.
If you fall on your bottom or your legs, you are disqualified. You must be on your feet the whole time.
This way.
You must be on your feet the whole time. 3, 2, 1. Hands disqualified.
And I'm walking it.
From the grasslands
And me too.
to the wastelands.
Hello, Mommy.
Okay, who fell coming down? Yeah, good job. Who made other people fall? Devin, get that hand back up. Yep, Louie, good job. I see that hand. Excellent.
I won everybody. Louis pushed me.
Here's Waterfall Valley of the Waterfalls. Several waterfalls that are back down in there. Where do you want to go?
On your bottom.
Over there? A second. Ooh. Just got dripped on in the camera. That's what that glare is. I don't know if you can see here in Talofofo Cave. The ground down there. There's my foot. Can't quite see. Oh, there's the ground over there. Okay, who's next?
Me. I'm going last.
Not yet, Cars. We survived.
Uh-huh.
I fell right there when my foot, the smallest rope, on the smallest rope. I jumped and my foot got caught and I landed on my booty, but broke my toe, feels like. Details. That's where we came from. We didn't make it all the way down to the bottom.
We're not that.
Come on, Cars.
We're not
Pull.
that expert.
Use your arms and pull. There you go.
There's huge red ants.
Okay, right, get up. Stop playing with dirt. Good. Lots of bears on Guam. This is the backside of Talofofo Cave.
Oh, I hit him. Get your shot.
All right, let's get a picture. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3.